Hey guys, Steve here at Aquaponics. We're here at Ouroboros Farms to talk about aquaponic nutrients. We're going to be doing a whole video series on aquaponic nutrients. We're going to cover all the different nutrients, how to dose them, all the different supplements. We're going to cover everything real in depth and kind of get rid of a lot of the really terrible information that exists on the internet. There's so many bad videos, especially about iron, especially about pH, and we're going to get rid of all that. And we're going to solve all these problems. We're going to get rid of all this bad info and just put out good info that actually is relevant and, you know, is being used on a place like this. So what are the different nutrients you have in an aquaponic system you have to worry about? Well, you have nitrogen, you have phosphorus, you have potassium, magnesium, calcium, copper, iron, manganese, molybdenum, sulfur, silica, zinc, boron, and chloride. And all of these nutrients and their levels play a huge role in how well your system will do. And if you don't have them dialed in, you will not get success that you're looking for. Or you'll end up with deficiencies, you'll end up with flavor issues. There's a lot of aquaponic producers out there that don't realize they have massive deficiencies, and it's the source for some of their flavor issues, particularly with tomatoes and some of the other crops that people traditionally say that do not grow as well in aquaponics or don't quite taste the same. So we're going to go through and help get rid of all those issues. It's very frustrating, and we get a lot of problem questions from a lot of the misinformation about these different nutrients and their levels and how to go about solving those issues when they have either too much or too little. So we're going to go through step by step, nutrient by nutrient, supplement by supplement, go over each one. This is going to be a multi-week series, obviously. We're going to put out a video every few days until this is done. Probably come up with some kind of format here soon. I'm still working on that, but I just wanted to put this video out and really kind of get you guys ready. We're going to have a really awesome series for this, and yeah, I really look forward to it, and I hope you follow along. We're going to leave a link here at the end so that we have all the links to the different videos and the different nutrients, hopefully in this area somewhere around here, and we'll make sure we get those all up for you. And I mean, look at the results. I think it kind of speaks for itself. Again, big shout out to Ken from Ouroboros Farms and all of the classes and stuff he teaches here. He's kind enough to let me help out and things like that and teach classes, and him and I work together on another company called Purity Medicinal. So big shout out to him and a big appreciation to him and all the hard work that him and his people do here. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care.